I'm called Ablaze. So in front of me, I have a small prototype of a machine to slice plastic bottles and waste plastics. So the machine can recycle waste plastics, means it can slice them to smaller particles so that can be easy to melt them in funnels. Because sometimes we have a lot of soil pollution in the environment that people dump a lot of waste plastics, waste bottles. So we try to see how we can regrind all the waste bottles and plastics that can be remelted in funnels to produce either the waste plastic, some bricks, and some other good use products. That's why we come up with the idea to build a small prototype that can be a small prototype machine for a plastic recycling system. So this machine actually functions with the help of a three-phase motor to produce high power. So also having an attachment of a small gearbox for a high torque. While we have the claw type blades inside that helps to grind and chop off the plastics more better. So here we have a simple switch that the switch permits the motor to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise in case of any issue. So I think with things like this, with time we're going to build big systems that we're able to recycle a lot of waste plastic, especially in Africa and my country Cameroon. We have billions of waste plastics all over, and they're actually polluting the soil and actually creating a lot of pollution, not only the soil but also giving some water pollution. So I think if we allow such a situation some years to come, farmers will face difficulties with the soil pollutions and even the water pollution. We don't actually recycle only plastic, but we also try to remelt plastic papers in the furnace together with the slicing plastics. I think there are a lot of products that can be made from these plastics, like PVC pipes, pipes for water, pipes for house wiring, and also flower jars, recycling to make some things like kitchen bowls and insulators of cables, a lot of things actually, like some of the bottles. So I think it's actually a great idea. Our function is that we just research on ideas how to solve problems in the society. That's why we have the textile technology. We test all the ideas and test all the problems, how we can have solutions for them. Because in Africa we have billions of problems. We are trying to become solutions for those problems. That's why each day we come up with different ideas in different types of machine, in different domain, in different problems, and in different work. We just try to, most time we study about machinery systems, so have the ability to be able to solve any problems using machines, automated systems machine, and AI system machine, electronics, mechatronics, and electricity, and mechanical designs, and etc. That's why we go into this area, because having such a skill can give us an ability to build machines for startup enterprises that they want to handle a particular situation. Because we have a lot of great minds in Africa, we have a lot of great people, we have a lot of people with a lot of ideas, but they face this issue of the